20 watts solar fountain pump. Infuse the tranquility of nature into your outdoor space. User-friendly, stable bracket, anti-slip suction cups, debris filter, 6 to 8 meter remote control. Excellent design, 5 meters wiring, waterproof, IP65, IP68, 1.9 meter fountain height. Enjoy visual art. 9 nozzle spray, 3 fountain mode, 5 LED lights for nighttime. Can spray water for up to 3 to 4 hours at night. Built-in 4000 mAh high-capacity battery, 2 charging mode, solar and Type-C. Attention, the installation interface prompts for alignment and insertion, otherwise the battery may be damaged. Installation and use of solar fountain water pump. Step 1. Install the fountain pump. First, insert the LED submersible projection light into the fountain pump, and then insert the nozzle into the fountain pump. There are 9 nozzles in total. The installation method of each nozzle is as shown in the video operation. Step 2. Install solar panels. Install the bracket on the back of the solar panel. Step 3. Wiring. Insert the solar panel power plug into the hole on the left and the water pump power plug into the hole on the right. The installation interface prompts for alignment and insertion, otherwise the battery may be damaged. Step 4. Place the solar panel on the ground and the fountain pump into the water. Note: it is recommended that the nozzle exceeds the water surface by 5 cm. How to operate solar fountain pump. Press and hold the pump level button for 3 seconds. Then the water pump starts to work. Pump level 4 mode. Each time you press the pump level button, you can increase the height of the fountain by 1 level. Pump mode. Press the pump mode button to switch to random mode. Press it a second time to switch to gradient mode. And press it a third time to return to normal mode. Time set button. Press first. Automatically shut off the fountain pump after 4 hours. Press second. Automatically shut off fountain pump after 6 hours. Press third. Automatically shut off fountain pump after 8 hours.